Hello, welcome. I know it's been a while since I made a video. I've just been doing lots of work, but today we are talking about where did I put it? The Milwaukee magnetic tape measure and what happened. See, it cracked. It wasn't like that when I first got it. Some random dickhead, I let them borrow this, even though I told them don't break it, don't fuck around, and don't fuck around, like, throw it, use it, treat it like shit. But what did they do? You can barely see how that's bummed out a little. I know you're thinking, yo, check this, because I can really push it up and down. I don't know if that's an issue with that, but with this tape measure, I mean, besides the fact that people treat it like shit, the tape measure is a pretty damn good tape measure. And who put clear caulk on here? And you see I have a square there and my initials, just so that way random people either know who it belongs to or don't be dicks and borrow my shit. So there's what happened with my walkie magnetic tape measure.